In this video, we'll be talking about organising supervised practice. If you're a qualified pharmacist from either the UK, the USA, Ireland or Canada, you're going to need to do a period of supervised practice as a step to general registration in Australia. This supervised practice will help you adapt to the Australian healthcare system, it'll help you understand local legislation, and it'll help you demonstrate your ability to practice safely and independently. Qualified pharmacists from Ireland, the UK, Canada or the USA aren't required to complete a full internship. Instead, the Pharmacy Board of Australia will determine a shortened period of supervised practice on a case-by-case basis. The timeframe of your supervised practice will depend on your individual qualifications and your prior experience. And remember, this is only for pharmacists from Canada, Ireland, the UK or the USA. Pharmacists from any other country will need to complete a full internship, and we have a video on internships in the link below. So what are the steps involved? First, you're going to complete a skills assessment with us, the Australian Pharmacy Council. This is through our competency stream pathway. Then you're going to go to the Pharmacy Board of Australia, where you'll apply for limited registration. Here, they'll assess your qualifications and prior practice experience, and this will determine the exact amount of hours that you'll need for your supervised practice. Once the Pharmacy Board of Australia notifies you about your hours and approval of your limited registration, then you can seek and secure a pharmacy practice site and an approved preceptor. A preceptor is a registered pharmacist who will oversee your practice. Then you can submit your supervised practice arrangements for approval to the Pharmacy Board of Australia. Keep in mind, APC does not organise any supervised practice placements, and completing a skills assessment doesn't guarantee any employment or registration. You need to organise your own placements, and this can take some time and effort. Start by researching pharmacies across Australia, networking with professionals, and also updating your resume so that it's of high quality. If you're not in Australia already, you may also need to find someone to sponsor your visa. We also have another video about finding a preceptor below. Finally, be aware of your rights as a worker in Australia. Support is available through professional pharmacy bodies and unions if you need guidance.